Hey, what's up guys? It's Lee from HERO-RV, and today I wanted to give you guys a review on a water system, filtration system that we've been using since March 1st, 2023. And these here are the filters. It is a company called Clearsource, and we bought the Ultra filter system, and these are just the replacement filters. Ours were in there for about 9 months. Now, they recommend changing them every 2 to 3 months if you're a full timer. They filter about 2,000 gallons of water, which is a lot of water. And to give you kind of a perspective, we use roughly about 30 gallons of water a day, and that's without conserving anything. That's both of us taking showers, that's doing dishes, that's drinking water. So 2,000 gallons is quite a bit. And the reason I'm wanting to show you guys this is because it's something that gave us peace of mind when we're on the road traveling around, because we don't know what the water systems are like. You know, of course, when you're hooked up to your home water, you feel a little bit better. But out there on the road, you don't know what water you're getting. The reason I wanted to show you guys this is because it worked for us. I'm not affiliated with the company in any way. We purchased everything ourselves, and it's just been a great product for us. And you can install it in your RV, or you can put it on the ground and hook just to a regular water hose. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to be doing a taste test. I know you aren't going to be able to taste it, but you're just going to have to trust me on this one, and I'll tell you my honest opinion, whether I can taste the difference or not taste the difference. And in the end, I'll show you also, and I'll link below, I have a $25 discount code for you. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so what I've done here is I labeled, this will be the new filters. This is the filters that are 9 months old, and I have not changed the filters yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water from the 9-month-old filters in and see what it looks like. And then we're also going to do a taste test afterwards. It's pretty clear, but our water is tested good by the county. But I also want to see if there's going to be much of a taste difference after 9 months. So there's 9-month-old water, or filtered water, and we'll be putting in the new filters here in just a minute. All right, guys, so here's the first stage water filter. It's the 5-micron rust filter, and you can obviously see the difference. It is filtering rust, and actually I think I'm getting rust on my hands. So the rust filter definitely is working, and that it reduces iron and rust, and also reduces sediments, and I think it's doing a great job. So there's that one. Next is the second stage, and the second stage is a 0.5 micron filter. It reduces bacteria, reduces cysts like Giardia, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and it also reduces organic compounds, insecticides, pesticides, solvents, and chloramines. Also improves the taste and smell. And then on your last stage, this one is the virus guard filter, and it is a NASA technology. It reduces bacteria, so this is probably your most important one. It reduces cysts, it reduces E. coli, and reduces viruses. Also reduces heavy metals, volatile organic compounds, insecticides, pesticides, solvents, and chloramines. Can't really see any difference, but we're just trusting it that it works, and I tell you, we have not had any issues at all with ours. So this is why we like it, and this is why I'm showing it to you. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys basically how I keep track of my maintenance, and I use my notes on my computer. And you can see, like, here's how I keep track of running my generator every 2 hours monthly, which you're supposed to do on the rigs. So here's what we're talking about today is the water filtration system, the Clearsource. They recommend changing them every 4 months, but of course we're busy and I get lazy, and I went, I think, 9 months this time. You can see it, today is July 24th, 2025, so I changed it today. The last time I changed it was October 27, 2024. I think that's about 9 months. So yeah, went a little bit too long there. Also wanted to show you guys this off Clearsource's website. You can see right here, I ordered our Ultra system on March 1st, 2023. And it shows here that I changed the filters 4 times. Now, the reason I wanted to show you guys this, to give myself more credibility so you guys can trust me a little bit more, because you don't know who I am, but I wanted to show you how long we've been using it for. I am not paid. I bought all these myself, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's been really helpful for us, and the water tastes great. So you'll see here that I changed the filters more than 4 times. And the reason you see the difference between Clearsource and here is because I bought some cheap ones on Amazon, and I don't think they did nearly as good, so I quit doing that, and now I continue to buy them from Clearsource, and highly recommend you just continue to buy them from Clearsource. So that's kind of how I keep track of my maintenance, and I also wanted to give myself a little more credibility for you guys to trust me when it comes to ordering this. I'm just here to hand out some information and share information. All right, guys, I just got the new filters in. We're gonna go ahead and put the new filtered water in here. We already got the old water sitting right here after 9 months. Let's fill this up. All right, so here is the final taste test. I'm gonna go ahead and taste the old water first. Okay, the new water. You know, I really can't taste much of a difference, but that could be good news because we left our filters in there for 9 months. They say to replace it after 3 to 4 months for full timers. We're full timers and we left it in there for 9 months. They both taste pretty much the same, so I feel like after 9 months it's still working. So I think if you want to leave them in a little bit longer, I don't think you'd have a problem with at least taste. Now, is it working as far as filtering out all the contaminants? I don't know after 9 months, but the taste is still the same. I would suggest going with the manufacturer says 3 to 4 months. But the other way we can tell that it is working is after about 9 months, we noticed our water pressure has gone down. So not a lot, but it reduces. So what that is telling us is that the filters are filtering out the contaminants, and they're collecting that contaminants, so it's decreasing the volume of water coming through your system. Once we changed it out to our new filters, the flow of water it increased a lot, or not a lot, it increased to normal amount of flow. So they are collecting the contaminants. Final thoughts, folks. I think it's a great peace of mind for us. We enjoy it. The water tastes great. Yeah, so keep on wrenching, and hope you have a blessed day.